All right, so this came with the unit itself, okay, which is nice. Has the proper connectors that hook onto the outside unit and these onto the inside unit. The other part came with the HVAC connection that goes from the inside to the outside unit. So, but this came with the inside and outside unit itself, so I'm going to replace the wire and put this on here. Hopefully you will watch all the videos and not have to do this the way I did it. Now, you can see I just propped it up from the bottom bracket, leaned it out. The top is still hooked up there, and it is just a little piece of wood wedged in there. I already cut the little bit of duct tape here, so I can remove this, and let's get after it. That part comes up. Let me move my ladder over a bit. All right. Yay me, huh? Love doing stuff a couple times. Makes it a lot more fun. Come on, baby. Come out of there. There we go. All right. All those are out. Let's pull them out through the other side. Oh, hold on. Maybe there's another. Yeah, there's another piece of tape. There we go. Okay. Don't need that. What we do need, this goes to the outside unit. So, how about we push the inside piece through here, see if we can, oh, tell you what, let's tape this. Put a little tape on that. There we go. Glue them together, make it a little more rigid. Let's see if it's poking through. All right, what luck. That was awesome. Okay. Now comes the tricky part, how to get it up into here from down there. Let me look down in there. Let's run some up there, just push it up blindly. Let's see what we got. Hark. What do you know? That worked beauty, yeah? What a piece of cake that was. Come on, baby. All right. Boy, this stuff is sticky. Good tape. Indoor, outdoor tape, huh? Okie dokie. The magical tape remover. There we go. Okay.